Yes, so as I was telling him, yes, they wanted Jesus to be what? Crucified. Basically, crucified is it's meaning you kill him, and they released Barabbas. That is why Pilate told them that he wanted to release him because he was not what? He did not have any fault. But they shouted, crucify him, crucify him. So that's why he did what? He demanded, he just released Barabbas, and he forwarded Jesus, he delivered Jesus them up to them. So here, Luke chapter 23, verse 13. 23 verse 13. 13 we go up to 25. Can we read?
Pilate then called together the chief priests and the rulers of the Jews, and said to them, "You break with this man and one more, by making people and as I was examining before the oath, I did not find this man guilty of any of your charges against him. Neither did Herod, for he sent him out up, beyond nothing deserving death has been done by him." Now he sent him and released him.
But they all fled off together away with the priest's man, and released the priest's lands.
A man who had been brought into prison for insecurity. That's what insecurity can provide.
Well, let them bless them once, desiring to release
But they shouted, crucify him.
So Pilate gave sentence that their demands should be granted.
Pilate addressed them. We're in verse 20, right?
At
That
that time he said to them, What evil has he done? I have found in him no crime deserving death. I will therefore
justifies.
sentence him and release him.
But they were urgent, demanding this sentence that he should be crucified, and their voices prevailed.
So Pilate gave sentence that their demand will be granted.
He released the man who had been imprisoned in the prison camp. Insurrection and man, who they asked for, but Jesus is delivered up to their will.